All right, here we are in this Tradition 70-foot model, and oh my goodness.
Yeah, I love the two-story foyer.
Yes.
Right,
yes,
and
yes,
as
yes.
you come right on in
to the
left, but look how wide everything is. It's just nice and spacious. Everything is just spread out.
Yeah.
But yeah, as you come on through, to your left is your home office with all your built-ins, of course.
Beautiful. Those built-ins are beautiful. In fact, that color is really pretty. It's like a soft greeny gray.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I like the big windows in here. I got to point those out real quick, of course. Those are gorgeous. Bring a lot of light in. And then we need to turn around. Yeah.
Is your guest bedroom downstairs.
Mm-hmm. Very, very good sized bedroom. My goodness. And then it's got its own ensuite bath.
Of course.
Yes.
It's a Traditions home.
It is a Traditions home, and it's a good sized bathroom too. You walk all the way through here, and let's check out this shower. Big shower with the tile that goes all the way to the top, of course. All right, let's go check out the main part of the house.
As we come on out, I love the downstairs media room.
Of course,
It's got the double doors as you come on through. It's got this big sectional to kind of showcase how big it is, because it does have the darker gray walls, which are cool.
It's gorgeous.
But it probably brings in the room. It doesn't showcase how big it is, but a really good size.
Yes, it's great. And then look at, you walk through into this family. They've got this neat little kind of lower area right here where the ceiling's lower, and then it goes way up. And they have put a ton of painted beams up there with all those windows.
With the stone and cast stone fireplace.
Oh, I know, look at that. Here, let me get a good view of that for everybody.
One thing I will say, in both 70-foot models, the Highland and Traditions, here they both feature the cast iron.
They did.
Cast iron.
Yeah,
Did I say cast iron? Cast stone.
Cast stone, yes.
Cast stone fireplaces.
Absolutely. And look at the size of this dining area. This is a huge table, and it does not take up this whole space. That's shocking how big this is.
Yeah, this seats a family of 5. It's got 6 seats, obviously, but I mean, this thing has got space for days.
Look at the windows.
Love all the windows.
Oh my goodness,
right?
It's wonderful.
Pours all that natural light. And look at, just, it's 100 degrees outside. Everybody knows it's hot in Texas. So we don't need to go outside, but you can kind of see the space that you get.
Yeah, there's a lot of space going on out there. Here, I'm gonna move over here so you can see the
And that's what's really cool about this design, is that you can see everything. You see a whole backyard right here from your breakfast area or dining.
Very nice.
And look at that patio, it's really good size.
Ton of space. But then let's turn around and look at this kitchen with this 5 butt island, 1 on either side, and then the 3. And then
I love the color of this. It's like a creamy color.
Like a winter white almost.
Yeah, that's a good.
I like it too. Yeah. It's pretty. And then they've got that beautiful wood color on the other side, which is so in right now.
The other thing I love about Traditions, I've seen it several times, is how they have the beverage or wine fridge tucked away inside the kitchen area.
Yeah, that's nice.
So this is all right by that coffee bar.
Yeah.
So it's hidden away, so you don't get to see all that. You can put your air fryer there and all that good stuff, and you don't see it from the main part of the house.
Yeah, and then they've got
a huge snack closet.
Decent sized snack closet.
I'd say it's real big.
It's good size, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
And then
let's go take a look at the primary.
Okay, yes, let's go do that.
Here we are in the primary. Love the bow windows. We've seen a lot of those that are bumped out today, but I love the bow.
Yeah, that's nice, really nice. I don't know if you can see it so much on camera, but it is very pretty. And then it's got this really nice ceiling in here. It's kind of a tiered ceiling.
You could definitely put in some detail there.
Yeah, that's
and make
gorgeous.
that really pop.
Huge room.
Yeah, really nice sized room. And then you come in, and what I love about this primary bath is the shower. I think it's perfect size. It's oversized, yet it's feels...
It's a good size, yeah. The thing about Tradition is everything in their homes is pretty sleek and clean.
Hey,
you know?
look at, you've got a bench.
You do have a bench, and then you've got, it's a huge shower. It's definitely not gonna read as big as it is on camera for sure. But it's got these two sinks, which is great, completely separated from each other. And then you've got this wonderful closet in here, and it's got tons of storage in here. And
yeah, really good size. They know where to put their space.
They do, for sure. I mean, you've got lots of cubbies and everything, and it's right off the laundry, which
off the
love.
utility.
Yes, look at that, a huge utility room.
I love how when they put the countertops right above the washer and dryer, so you definitely get all that extra counter space.
Oh yeah, you just take your stuff out and fold it right
That's
there.
where I like to fold all my stuff.
Yes, and then it's got a nice little closet right here for all your things that you need, your cleaning supplies. Yes, very nice. As you come out of the laundry, that would be the garage. There'd be a wall right there. And then you kind of come on in and you've got this really neat mud bench area right here. I like it with the cabinets. You just close it all in, you don't see any of it.
Yep.
It's really
perfect.
Nice. All right, we're at the top of the stairs and you enter right into this game area, which is very good size. Got a skee ball table, which
that's
is
something
so
you don't
cool.
see.
I know, I love skee ball.
That's really cool.
And then you kind of go off to this little corner area, and there is a little powder bath for your guests.
And they never forget that. That's what I love about Traditions as well, is they never forget the half bath for your guests.
They don't, yeah,
on
you're
the upstairs
right.
gaming area, and this is where you put all those games. And
that's a good sized game closet for sure. And then look at how open all this space is. I mean, it's a big open area.
yeah, everything's just spacious.
Yeah.
You feel like you're in a home of this size. This is 4,800 square feet.
Yeah, this is a big house for sure. And then this, of course, has its own bathroom also.
And you can decorate that
Very
as
nice.
however you like.
Yeah.
And look at the size of this room.
Look at the size of this room. It's a good size room.
Very good.
Yeah. All right, now
And you
let's
come down here, we got two more rooms, both with their en suites. These things are oversized.
yeah, it's nice. And these halls that you walk through to get to them are super wide, so you don't feel enclosed, which is nice. And then here's this room, and it's got its cute little bathroom, of course.
I like the tile. That glass tile is cool.
It's pretty.
With like the gray grout that they have. Very masculine with the wood.
This room, and I'm going to show you
grays.
the size of this closet so you get an idea of what the secondary closets look like. Good size, really.
This feels like it would be like a Ralph Lauren if he was a kid.
Yeah.
This would be his room. Doesn't it feel that way to you?
Yeah, that's an interesting way to do the pictures. I kind of like it.
And then you've got one more bedroom as you walk on out of here to your right.
Yeah.
Again, with its own ensuite, of course.
Yes. Everybody needs their own bathroom, that's for sure.
I love how they personalize all of it. That's a lot of what our clients do when they have their secondary bedrooms with their en suites, is they kind of let their kids kind of customize that little section. They help them, of course. They don't want to have something that's
Something crazy.
Barney purple there
Yeah,
or anything.
well,
But
you never know.
But yeah, but it allows them to kind of come up with their own design, which is really cool.
This Tradition 70-foot model is a 60-51 plan and has the option for 5 to 6 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. Has a 3-car garage and is 4,750 base square feet. Tradition has 11 floor plans to choose from, starting in the low 900,000s and go from 4,082 square feet to over 4,750 square feet.